Sound check. Okay po.
Gusto po talaga kasi nila kayo mag-a-capel. May audition pa pala.
Nasa top 5 na eh.
Ready? On the first page of our story, the future seemed so bright. Then this thing turned out so evil. Don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have the weekend schemes, and you take them in new extreme. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn, but that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry, but that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. So maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run, but I don't wanna ever leave till the walls are going up in smoke with all a memory. That's alright because I love the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Thank you po. Everyone po. Thank you, everybody. Dalawa na ang finals na! I said 2 more. Before the finals.
Everyone keep voting. Everyone keep voting.
Everyone please keep voting for us. Yes! 2 more weeks before the finals. We're clearing 2 more weeks before my birthday. That's her birthday on grand final.
Oh my God!
So please pray for us and keep voting for us. Thank you very much, everybody. And God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.